It's going to read it up the awful one.
I think we better really eating our cup dinner. I can see it's really cool.
I'll do it.
That thing we did. Yeah.
The masking challenge.
Well, she's out. Is that Merv?
We've come a long way, from taking you in year 9, becoming a form tutor, one of my first ever lessons with the current year 11s when they was in year 9. I had glue thrown the walls and the board and possibly even in towards my head.
Alright, nice.
You come back again, Mr. Chapman, don't
When did I get in there?
So, what was year 11 for? Actually, I'm so proud of all of you because you've done a fantastic job and you've just matured, so good luck with your effort.
Oh yeah.
But then taking on my year 9 form group was the best experience that we had. My greatest achievement, I think personally, was them finishing 5th in sports day in year 9 and then a year later taking them to top and being the best in year 10. Now I'm not saying that's anything to do with my recruitment or anything to do with me, however, that was amazing. We're going on to year 11, into teaching a couple of different year 11 classes. 5th period on a Friday was obviously amazing, and Aidan Taylor will never ever let me forget that knee to the face as I hit the deck. Oh yeah. Anyway.
Hi everyone. I remember when I was first assigned to your year group, it was Christmas or just after Christmas when you were in year 7, and I remember thinking, a year 7 form group, it's going to be chaos, it's going to be tantrums, there's going to be trauma, and it was that and so much more. But now to get to this stage, I just want to say how truly proud I am of you all. You are wonderful. Watching you grow into the people that you have become has been an absolute privilege. I just wanted to say well done. You're all going to have brilliant futures, and please keep in touch because I want to see how well you've all done. Well done.
It looks like a movie.
Right, so what does year 11 mean to me? Year 11 means to me, make sure I don't mobile phone in your pockets for the exam, and make sure you all do it. That's all I have to do, because that's all I've said to them for the last 3 years. I'm going to wish them all the best of luck for the next couple of years and the next steps in life. See you later, bye.
Hello. This is Ruben. We're not at the year 17, but we do have very fond memories of your time throughout the school. Very fond. Very fond. What's your fond memories?
Well, I've lots of fond memories, Mr. K, to be honest. From the cold kitchen in year 9, coming up to my classroom door, messing about to start lesson. I said, Nicole, get to your lesson. She went, you spat in my face, sir. I said, well, I probably did. And she went off and away, but probably did. Loads of fun memories though. It's been a real journey actually, last 3 years, teaching my 2 classes. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Lots of laughs, lots of headaches and stress, but lots of hard work on the way in, and wish you all the very best of luck. What about yours, Mr. K?
My fondest memory, a student who doesn't come here anymore, read into that what you will. Studying The Woman in Black in English. year 9 watching the film. He crawled under his desk to stand behind my chair without me aware, and during a scary part shook my chair and screamed, and I absolutely pooped myself and screamed. That was a fun memory, but I think I'm just going to echo what he said, you know, good luck for the future. Thank you for all the fun memories. Bye.
Bye. Miss you.
Year 11 means to me a lot of hard work and a lot of proud moments. It's the first year group that were in year 7 when I joined the school 5 years ago, and I've seen you grow and mature into a wonderful set of young people. You've given me sleepless nights, you've given me many enjoyable moments, and I've really encouraged you as a year group, so the best of luck in whatever you choose to do on the platform.
Year 11 means to me, it means that this is your year to get things right after maybe not getting them so right the past few years. I imagine that a lot of you look back and think, wish I had changed sooner. So many of you gained from year 10 into 11, saw you mature fast, some people weren't prepared for it. Obviously there were wobbles, as I imagine there will be lots more to come, but I wish you, everyone, the best of luck moving forward into 2016. Best of luck and good luck.
That was all was it
This is it, year 11. Time for me to put my feet up and to have you all stop pestering me constantly at the year office door. On a serious note, I just wanted to say thank you for being an amazing year group. I have absolutely loved being able to be your head of year and to watch you all cry, scream with laughter, celebrate your successes. It's been amazing these past 2 years, so well done for that. As a final word, I just really best of luck really for the future and anything that you're choosing to do next year. I know every single one of you will be incredibly successful. We hope you've all enjoyed tonight. It's been really good being able to work with your tutor team and other staff to be able to put this evening together. And hopefully we'll get to see you all at home tomorrow to celebrate better.